Hi, this is Bonnie Meekums again, and I think this is the fifth lecture in my series on the WISE EMPoweR model. I'm a dance movement therapist based in the UK, and this model was developed in part from my PhD, and the material I'm sharing with you today to illustrate it is all taken from my PhD. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen, and we're on a particular aspect of the therapeutic relationship, which I call, a lot of dance movement therapists call mirroring, but also empathic witnessing. And this is, I've placed it in a particular part of my model, in a particular part of the process of therapeutic change, but it's kind of important all the way through, as all of these aspects of the therapeutic relationship are. And it's this sense of empathic witnessing and of mirroring other people is provided not just by the therapist, but within a group setting by other group members, and also oneself. It's a way of being compassionate to oneself, and facilitates change, not just in the person being witnessed, but also in the witness. So the therapist is changed, the whole group is changed, not just the person who's being witnessed. So here are some testimonies from to illustrate that process. There are people who can understand and support you. I mean, I've cried with other people in the group. To me, it's important that you didn't have to pretend. The group was there for you. That was somebody who previously had perhaps felt they had to keep up a certain sense of coping. And in the group, they didn't feel they had to do that. These are all participants in my research, by the way, who'd done one of 4 arts therapies groups for adult women survivors of child sexual abuse in a mental health setting. So the second one, what's helpful is being able to talk to people who understand, and that it's not a secret anymore. The abuser then loses a hold on you, and that's such a release. It's like you're okay. It wasn't your fault. You were the way you were. And a third one, it's not actually talking, but seeing people. I can see those little daft things that we do between us, you know, and it sort of helps you, even without talking about it. And there's more. Everybody was really, really quiet, and I didn't need to say any more, because the poem spoke for me. It felt as though people understood. I think the silence from people was more helpful than if they'd said anything. It felt as though they accepted the truth of what had happened, and it felt as though they were saying, without actually speaking, it's okay. We understand. We're with you. 1 or 2 just looked at each other, and one looked as though she was going to cry. I think I felt the caring from them. And the last one. The creative form speaks for you, but the reaction from other people to the creative form comes back to you as a person. That's all I'm going to say for the time being on mirroring and empathic witnessing. Thank you for listening and watching. I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and I will see you hopefully very soon for another installment. Thank you. Bye.